Our 8-person ice fishing tent just showed up. Brand is Garvee. Saying the gross weight on this is 20.9 kilograms. So what's that? 45, maybe 50 pounds. Color is going to be red. I'm going to go ahead and get this set up. Welcome back, YouTube. Today's video is going to be on the Garvee 7-8-person tent for ice fishing. This is just going to be an unboxing. Probably could have got something to cut this with. Give me one moment. Okay. So, kind of a funny use, but this is an insulation knife. It will do though. Gonna open the box up. That was pretty simple. So we ordered this off of the Garvee website. I think the total came out to about 240 bucks, which is not too bad. That does feel like a good 40, 50 pounds. And it looks like you could probably, haul this on your back if you really had to. Let's go ahead. Unpack this. This is also an insulated tent. It's got 2 different chambers on it. So our last tent that my brother and I had was a Eskimo quick fish 2, and we loved it. It was just a little too small for our time. I'm gonna put this down and just make sure there wasn't anything else in the bag, which there was. There's a bag of what I believe to be steaks, maybe some rope. So go ahead and see how easy this is to set up. You can see it's insulated fabric. Let's see. I've yet to set up a tent of this size, so bear with me. It could look rather funny trying to get this all together. It should just kind of pop. You just kind of pull these tabs and it pops. All right, that looks to be one side of it. Awesome, this is going up a lot easier than I thought. Go ahead and get this other top. Pull out the last side, and it's set up. That must have been, I don't know, 2 minutes. That was pretty quick. I'll go ahead and get this adjusted here so we can get a nice view with the camera. Wow, this is massive. This is just what we wanted. Just what we needed, really. So, I'm sure if you're looking at this video, you maybe already have an idea about how these tents work, but these are obviously tie downs for when it gets windy. I'm just trying to get this thing positioned so it's level. Okay. So this is it. This is going to be my first time entering it. You can see there's quite a few eyelets down there to screw into the ice. Some nice viewing windows. Got some nice reflective tape just in case your snowmobilers or whoever doesn't see the red. This looks to be a nice air vent. Another window. And this is the back entrance, or however you've got it set up, really. And we've got another window. Tie downs on each side. Another window. Now we're going to go ahead and pick out what the inside looks like. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. That is awesome. Very impressed with this Garvee company. So, just going to go out a bit more. And obviously, if these were, staked down, wouldn't be coming in on us like this. Let's zip this, get a good idea. Well, we'll leave that open for now. I've just got one hand I'm trying to do that with. Some nice air vents like I saw from the outside. This looks like it just rolls right up. Got a nice outside view. Let some more light in and all around. And you can see this is the quilted insulated version. So our plan is to, set up a Mr. Buddy, run that, heat this place up, throw some chairs in here, maybe a small table, and we'll be good for the day. Quite excited. I am 6'2", and I can pretty much stand up and sprawl out in this thing. I mean, if you had to, you could probably set a cot up and sleep in this. The only place it dips is right in the middle, and my head kind of skims it. But for being 6'2", I am quite comfortable in this, and I have more than enough room. You also can see there's some nice storage pockets for while you're in here. There's one there and one there. So this is going to wrap up the unboxing. At some point, I'll go ahead and give you guys a review on this once we get out on the ice and we're able to see kind of how warm it keeps and all that jazz. And I'll go ahead and post that video hopefully within the next month. We hope to get out on the ice in the next couple of weeks after Christmas. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Garvee 7 to 8 person insulated ice fishing tent. Thanks for watching. One last note, just ended up putting it back into its original bag, and it probably took me, I would say, 3 to 5 minutes. It actually bundled up a lot easier than our last ice fishing tent, which was much smaller. And it's nice because this bag opens horizontally rather than having to stuff it in from the top. So it just kind of fit right in there and has extra room to zip it up. Go ahead and cinch it, and you're ready to go. Thanks again.